Hi, this is me starting my vlog with an awkward intro. So it was September 16th. This day I was traveling back to India. So we are heading to the airport. As you can see, so many people are there and they're not following social distancing. So I was trying to stay away from everyone, but still, somehow I managed to finish everything fast. It was really crowded, and this is the airport view of Hamad International Airport, Qatar. I really love this place. I don't know why, but I don't like leaving, but I love visiting it. So let me share my story why I'm traveling after 2 years. What was the need for me to go in sudden just for 1 week? Oh wow, this uncle came now and spoiled the video. So I was posting stories here and there, like I'm going, and no one ever asked me in these 2 years how was my mental health and all. The moment I posted a story like I'm going anywhere, my all relatives and all that started texting me, where are you going, what happened and all. I mean, they never cared before, and now they're asking me like, bro. So let me share my story. The thing is, I was staying in hostel for my college, and as soon as I finished my degree, I came to Qatar for vacation, and then I didn't plan like this would have happened. So yeah, I got stuck in Qatar for vacation, 2 years vacation. Can you believe that? I know, right? So I was really excited, as you can see, and I actually had all my stuffs in my hostel, and the stupid warden kicked all of my stuffs also. So it's hard for me to explain my story after 2 years. Like, I don't remember half of the thing. So this is just a view from my window seat. And morning 3 a.m. I landed. I was having so bad headache, so I had tea from this nice place and dosa, authentic South Indian dosa. It was amazing, and the weather was so pleasant. It was welcoming me. So I came to the room. This is PG actually, and this is my hostel, where I came to take my stuffs. Like, as you can see, it's all messed up. So somehow I managed to pack everything, and this is the last view which I took from my hostel. Like, I'm never coming back to this place. There are so many good and bad memories, so we'll not talk about it right now. So I was not, this time I knew I was not gonna come back. So I was feeling emotional. I came back to the other PG and I packed food. I'm saying food. Lol, there's food always on my mind. So when I ordered food from Zomato, I got two boxes. So that's what I wanted to show you from that snap. Okay. So the day I was packing that night, electricity went, and I was so scared because I was in the fourth floor and it was all dark and creepy, and I'm a scaredy cat actually. So it was raining also, thunder also, everything all together, full India experience. So this is the last day I'm seeing my college. I collected my convocation certificate and everything, all the official works done. So I hope I never have to see this place again. I mean, I do have bad memories at the end. In the starting, everything was like adjustable. I'll share my college story later. So, after I got done with college, I met my friends, amazing people. Really felt good after meeting them. Faria, thank you for coming all the way from Kolkata to Bangalore just to meet me. How sweet. So these are some nice pictures. I love this video. This is taken by Fariha. And somehow I passed 1 week. It was very short time. So this before my flight. We were just chilling out, and then yeah, finally we are going back to home. I'm trying to take some weird videos like reels for Instagram, but it's flop. So, as you know, students' bags are always filled with so many things. So, my bag was not overweight because I was carrying so many handbags. So, as you can see, the airport is empty,
and I was feeling so much tired. Like you can see from my face, like I didn't sleep properly. The bed given was like very small, and I just slept like hardly 4 to 5 hours. And the whole day I used to go so many places to get all my work done. I didn't want it to be pending. See, just look at my face, I was so tired. So this one shot I tried, and yeah, let me know how is it. So finally boarding my flight. So just enjoy the view. Who doesn't love window seat? I always get window seat. Like even if a kid cries and tell me he wants my window seat, I would say no. So yeah, that's me. So finally we are back home. This break was much needed, and I'll be sharing the hotel quarantine experience in the next video. Till then, take care.